More ask you a question, seeing?
Yeah.
What you feel like now? You know, back in the days when we are youth, and with some old people, right? We never know them from where we grew up. But you know, when we are big people and them old,
Yes.
them forward at Jamaica and come live in a one little big house.
Little
But
bit.
them old, you know, cause them working all of them days are foreign.
Yeah.
When them far back at Jamaica,
Returning resident.
them in a big house and them dead about 3 years after that.
Yeah.
Them then enjoy the big house and the family fight over it after.
Yeah. The dead left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the youth them nowadays, the man them say, yo, here one now. Make a piece of food.
Enjoyment.
Yeah, man, buy one beast and cock up my foot on the front, you know. On the dashboard and, you know, just go and enjoy life.
Yeah.
Because at NID, it don't make no sense.
You wait.
You work all that money and then you put it on and little bit after that you're dead.
Yeah.
And then the money we work, somebody have to dip it and the money they have to bury you.
Yeah.
When me dead, you know, me a somebody has a problem.
That's not true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, they say there.
I know you don't want to be a burden to anybody, especially after you.
I want me dead, man. That.
That are that.
That.
That's not true.
Although me not dead, me I live forever.
All right.
All right.
King All-Star. Big up yourself, my general. Ladies and gentlemen, greetings, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Knife Show. I'm your girl, the Liquor Brown Ass Dragon All-Star and the Wheels of Steel. Big up to Breads, DJ Rick, Mad One, Fire Q, anywhere in the world, one of them are big brothers. Big up on yourself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page to support and to find out what is happening on a weekly basis.
Yeah.
And make sure that you click the follow button as well. Don't just go over there go fast and don't give them some support. And shout out to everybody that is on our Instagram page or Facebook page, the TGM Radio UK's app, as well as the TGM Radio UK's TikTok page. That is where you can listen to us and every other show on the go. Make sure say do the right thing. And everybody that is on the live, share the link to a family, to a friend, and tell a friend and a family member for forward over here, so because we have a lot of things to speak about, and we're going to be speaking to two interesting guests this evening. We have Jam Model and ZJ Liquid forwarding out from JA, who will be passing through a little later on and having a conversation with us. So make sure to share the live. Seeing?
Remember the man says that throwback settings are going.
It's a retro edition set. Right.
Till right, just okay. You don't know say. Liquid one of the man who set up on the ground, and Jam Model is one of them artists over your way.
He's putting in the work.
He might do some things.
He's putting in the work.
Me talk producing and like
one
artistry, you know.
Man will say
he
one
might do some things. Yeah.
Definitely.
But I'm going to go back to the skate car or something. Do you believe in that type of lifestyle where you live for today and like if you make enough then you put on something for later?
I'm gonna say half and half, because obviously you have to be prepared for a rainy day. But the way how life is going at the moment, you just have to enjoy life. Like, don't make nothing stress you.
What do you mean by that? Because you don't really talk too clear, so I don't really understand.
I've spoken very clearly. In terms of, you know, people normally put on a lump sum for save and save for the house.
Say if you make $3 million, seeing, you know, $3 million, you can't buy a house, but you can buy one beast and go and skate. Or you can buy some block and some cement and dig out a foundation and start a thing. What option would you take?
I would take a portion of it and turn it and use the other rest of money then for start out myself.
But
with the invest part of it.
So with any investment or any turning, remember it's a risk, right?
Okay.
So the half of the money there, you have to think about the half there as it gone. Because remember it's a risk, you know. So forget about the half there. So you have 4 million, so you have 2.
Yes.
Where are you taking next 2 and do?
Can't buy no car with that. I can't buy no house. When I rent and go and enjoy myself. Enjoyment!
Can't buy one little something, man, you know. Can't buy one little bimbi, man, you know, one little markets, you know.
But then again, it is, I don't know if this is a wrong thinking. It is always my viewpoint that you have your home first and then you buy your car. But other people would say, but you know, I buy your house and I take taxi.
So let me ask you a question.
Me prefer have somewhere for lay my head for sleep than now have nowhere for park your car.
Yeah, me understand that because, you know, them things say, why want a Ferrari if you don't know if a park, right?
Yes, big up yourself, Yakster.
And then we flip this thing and say, yo, but hold on there. Boy, the Ferrari money look a bit cheaper, you know. Because me want 40 million to buy one ski mouse and 30 something. Right?
Yes.
Can drag down 1, 2 or 3 million real quick. Buy one nice car, you know. And go on because here one now. You ever hear about that thing where them say some of the time you have to fake it before you make it?
Yeah, definitely.
You know, them say money attract money. So some of the time you just have to go and do what you do. Live that life there until, you know.
So let me ask you the question. What are your thoughts on that?
My thought, I want 4 million.
If you have the 4 mil, how would you divvy it up, or what would you do with the 4 mil?
One beast me a drag down, man.
Okay.
Put my arms foot for the dashboard, you know it go.
And it's a live for today.
Yeah, man, go and drive around, you know, go to 2 party and buy 2 Hennessy. Enjoy myself. I want to, man.
So each is own still, but I mean, at the end of the day,
remember the house can skate, you know. Remember that, you know.
At the end of the day, life is for living, and I know it's easier said than done. Like, obviously, everybody's going through a lot of hardship and a lot of challenges in life. But if we take it a step at a time, a day at a time, and just live in the moment and enjoy the moments that we have, life could be, life can be nice.
I'm a whole people buy a black and steal and them sitting and dead left them. Yeah, man. No put up.
And family,
yeah, man, and I see him black them when buy them take out 150 out and make him grave. You know, 2 pieces of steel and piece of things. Yeah, man, like, I say, man, when me dead, man, when sell the car and bury me, I want him to own a dog.
So you would have want bury in your vehicle you have now?
Huh?
You know what? You would have...
You take them out, bury me in there and somebody can drive it. Somebody goes go and skate the beast, man, and sell it.
Because I have a particular family member.
Yeah.
I mean, he's a farmer. He's an old man. Elderly man. So, him always I say, ooh, make sure it's not bury me in my van and put it in him will. So when him dead,
yeah,
him truck for going and ground with him and for put him in a.
It's a bad man boy that.
Yeah. So that is what he said. So you know what bury in a car.
No, cause them all use claw bar and bust the coffin, or bust the grave and take out of it, need to take out. You know, like that's a selfish thing. You know, I feel
that's
like
a very selfish thing.
In terms of end of life or them thing there, like. If you have any assets or anything left over,
yes.
If you share to the person who you're closest to, or you know,
yes.
If you have kids, make you share to your kids. If you have wife or woman or brother or sister,
yes.
Share it up between them, because remember, you know, if something are going at the grave. Remember, you have no use to no one. Dead man can't spend the money. Dead man can't wear a big chain. Dead man can't wear a big watch.
True.
Dead man can't drive car. You get what I say?
Yes.
So. You have a balance between this. Let me talk some sense now, because I want to go me talk about, you know. No fight was joke, you know, fun and joke, but you have to have a balance. You have to have a form of enjoyment to life.
That's true.
Because the way this world I run now, you can't work all your money and decide to, you have a big investment on them something. Because most of the time, it just never work out, because I know enough like what you call it. Because me I get a youth.
Yeah.
I know enough like hustle in the street, right?
Yes.
We hustle every day of them life and they make some good money. But them invest back most of them money in them business and find some other things, and they just never work out. I mean, I talk about millions of blood clot dollar. Saying, and them never buy one big beast, and you know, buy one of them something about. Yeah, them end up dead poor. You get what I say? So, yo, let me turn on this, man. Enjoy your life, cause life out there for enjoy. You see me? Make people go and talk and say, yeah, man. Come and party and them drink 3 NOC and they go and live now. I rent him a pay. So what? Rent you want pay, nothing wrong with that. You understand? Make them go and talk and say, oh, him have 2 markets, but I'm getting live with, so what? Markets is a moving house. Enough boy now, nothing. You get me? Them still a look a start, because think boy, you start a little business, right? You rent a little shop, or you do this or you do that. See, you invest a piece of food in it. Remember I had an idea, you know. The business can fail, but you're still end up with 0. Remember the car fail. Saying, whether you lease it, you take it out for higher purchase or whatever, some form of enjoyment in it for you. Whether you get to like a girl with it, and I know enough man out there on the live, and know say, yo, I fuck with me talk, but remember, you know, what I'm saying, for each his own. So, what do you with them nowadays, what them say, yo, yeah, man, go and skate the car, man, because the house can't skate. Remember, there's some truth in that something there. Because you have to use your car like a business. Especially if you're out here, you say, yo, you know me, I go and live that celebrity life there. I keep up my image because that make my money. You see me? Without the image on them something there, you're not getting a step in, you're not getting a look in. So, yeah, man, more in life, man, you have to go and, you know, just go and do your thing and just go and skate the bim, or go and skate the markets and do what you need to do. Because as what I say, the house can't skate. You just have to go and live a lifestyle. Yeah, if you hold up that leave it today. So, for each his own, man, if you don't want to buy black and cement and steel and dead left that, then take 150 out and bury no phone the business. You get what I say? For the man who want to buy the baby man skate it, if you roll 5-6 times and the whole on the off, for your business, you carry sell and you know life goes on.
Yeah.
Don't need to do a food money of own hustling. Yeah.
Cool, man.
We have one next topic more to talk about.
We could talk about that quick and fast.
You know what they say like one little thing on news and I was very disgruntled.
Was it on news you saw it or on Instagram?
Social media are the biggest news station right now, man. You know the Instagram, the TikTok.
Cool, man.
Yeah, so I see it over there, I see we call it one Airbus.
Trailer load.
No, is that Airbus?
I forgot call
Yeah, one Airbus. One of them plane from Europe. One nice plane, I say touchdown at Jamaica.
From Dubai.
Yeah. I check, I say bumbo clot. Paying people upon them, I say the man them do like a 4-star hotel. And I say, Jesus Christ, one time I go to America, and they nearly lock me up. And I say, oh, Jamaicans are welcoming when them say tourists. I remember we used to Indian people, you know, because them regular, you know, come like Kuluku Roma, Jamaica.
And we're out of many one people, so we do have them in our culture.
So, I see that now, I see the word of the man in New Kingston, I say, picture, take man, I walk about all about, and when you hear from the show, you know what them say, like, you know, a flight manifest, or a galley fest, I should say, where you have everybody who should be on the flight and, you know, them have the right legal documents for travel. Mm-hmm. None of that never did there, you know. But I got thing there right. But them just let them go in our country, so then, about 2 days after, me say plane a pack up with people and go back.
But the thing about it is, so obviously there were more than over 200 Indians on the flight. And they had told immigration officials that they had traveled to the island for a 5-day tour, but checks of their itineraries revealed coverage for only 1 day. So imagine, even after doing the checks, how is it that you still allow them in? My boy,
you know what I say? What go on? They might use Jamaica as a middle ground for like land at Jamaica, then go South America, then go America, see? But here one now. Remember Jamaica and a third world country again, you know, because everything down there, you know. See, we are doing like big country. See, when you come, we are detained, you know. Make we use some big word. We now say we are locking up, you know, we are detained, you know. Every police station full up. Island wide, get every coaster bus.
Same treatment.
Yeah, man, lock them up. Lock up everybody.
Because as you rightly said, we were having this discussion earlier. If it is like, and we use the example of, you know, the Jamaica and the Trinidad situation. If it was a case that plane load of people go to Trinidad, everybody would have get
right now all the pilot may lock up, you know. Everybody. Right now, yes, right now, you see all the plane. Everybody. Me a move here, me a land it up at Ian Fleming and say it's on a
park.
Detention, you know.
Yeah.
Watch you now. Watch a little thing here. You see like when you have a little man have one, we call it one little axio and him say he will run some taxi.
Yeah.
Saying a robot that plane there run, you know. Cause nothing pan in the street, a robot that plane there run. So lock it up and every day up at Ian Fleming. I hope they say you're parking, because you move from one of big airport to one little one. Every day up there, you know, you say €500,000. I see you they put a heavy tax on you. See when they done? We say, them say you want to keep it and we do like say here Jamaica again. Because them no want about the play, they build too big.
And we are being told that the expenses, obviously they had to put them up because, you know, for on the grounds of humanitarian rights. But the expenses were to be covered by the operators of the airline company. So Jamaica footed none of the bill, according to what the National Ministry of National Security.
So who pay?
The operators of the airline.
Pay the bill?
Yes. I never we send for them. Okay. You we say, oh, sir. God just no, touch down in that. A joke.
But just look one thing and me and say, yo, God no, you see, I got a whole pack country, like, I do some roads some my time. And remember one time, you know, I left from Germany, seeing? I'm tell you all the people, I'm serious. One time, I pay out some money, I late for one flight, and I pay some money, and one woman run at the back door, and, you know.
Run where?
Run at the back door at the airport. Hold on, man. Okay. Back door. Hold on, man. We are talking English.
No, fix up it.
Watch it now. See? I'm like, so boom, and put 1 foot on the plane, 1 foot off it, and here was you have to come off, you never check in. I'm like, Jesus Christ, what a wicked woman. Because you know the thing when you check in is a serious thing. I say, God no.
Yeah.
1 foot up on the plane and 1 up on the step, and I say, yo, God no. I have to come off, and my €50 gone. Somebody just say, yo, them a people are far with a Jamaica and them not no paper. Them not nothing. Brother, like, when you just see it from
They
Jamaica.
were in the Rock Hotel. That's the thing. Like, how much time you pass Rock Hotel, my general? When you don't get yard. What about time, though?
Check 1, 3,
Check
4,
1,
5, 6,
3,
7,
4,
8, 9,
5.
10.
The general has landed,
man,
my
come back with a
G.
Jamaican shirt in the yoga.
No, I have to make it know what time it is.
Just touched down at the airport.
Don't
Ladies
run
and
for the
gentlemen,
island.
DJ Rick is in the building. Big up yourself, my general.
Yeah, I know I'm going to reach me out.
How do you do? You know, be it.
I'm outside.
Him don't made it, ladies and gentlemen. He made from
We
yesterday.
still have a Jamaica.
Frowns.
Talk about.
Yo,
But
I mean, I like them a foreigner. Seeing them come back from Jamaica, now let them want Uncle bag or something.
How are yourself?
2 pieces of yam, you know.
You know,
pumpkin,
I'm forward from.
Roman, you know.
You don't know what I go on. You need to tell you what I go on. Because right now, I'm proud of myself.
Yeah.
No, I'm not really what.
Talk,
You're not
man,
yellow people them.
No, I forget the people.
Okay.
Because the people them probably not up on live. Big
Yeah.
up on yourself. With their everything good.
Yeah.
It's a great thing. It's a great pleasure to be in your presence this evening. And we have royalty inside the building, but we're going to get to that for now.
Yes.
We are talking about the little something going to Jamaica, the little plane we land down there.
Yeah.
Bag of things. And we see the treatment we then get, it might look, you can look at it at all different angles. Obviously, Jamaica, it's never happened to Jamaica before.
No.
So what you call it is called precedent. So they don't know how to act because nothing has it like this as ever to this magnitude ever happened to Jamaica. And what this
You mean by numbers? Because it's been happening with Haitians coming over.
Exactly.
Right. Same thing. Lock them up.
Yeah, it's warrant for them to be locked up, but then we don't know about the details. Nothing has been shared. Obviously, when someone illegally enter a country, regardless of what, they should be remanded, yes.
But them never reach here illegally. Them did have a 1-day stay. It's just that them tell immigration to them have the 5-day stay when in truth and in fact.
Yeah, but that's all right. You see, these stories are trickling out now.
Yeah.
Where were this? Where was the media control, the press control, press release to get all this information? Jamaica like too much. Jamaica take up this blogging thing where it's good, but then the danger of blogging is and the people who are deemed credible are not resourcing what they're meant to look for. They're just doing stuff and picking stuff out of the air. And because they say it and if they're on pink wall, people say, oh, he did that on pink wall, that means they're real. And majority of the people, no disrespect to Jamaica, most of the ordinary people in the ghetto, that's their source of getting information.
Yeah.
You might not think say it's real or what. You have a little one to listen to radio and little kid, little granny will listen to radio. She might listen to a little RFM zip them or listen to the little. When wonder what the man name again?
RJR.
No man.
Fame FM.
Me see one big man down there running the place, man. In the world of politics, me can't remember my name. Me know I wonder did he get the Y one time, but what name man? Rasta help me no man.
Me don't know who you talk about, my G.
Nationwide.
Oh, Cliff Hughes.
We're on that table, yeah.
With
All
the
right,
earthquake.
you see him kind of replaced. You remember the little multi-Perkins something?
Yeah, but he's been doing he's been doing it for years.
Yeah, but you see
From like 2013, 2014 with Nationwide, that is.
exactly. But the thing is that he's now because in your career as a radio person, you go through stages and you garner a certain amount of respect over the years, and people start deeming you credible, not because you just get the hype or whatever. Because there are certain people that I listen to on radio. Not because they have a name or a hype, but because I know that they'll go to the extent to get the information.
They'll put in the groundwork to give you the real information.
And then I got to say something because I ate the trending topic now to get a hype or a fight. So, in regards to him, that's what I go on for him. But
and just to we're going to wrap up this shortly. But so basically the group that landed said that they were transiting through the country. Destined, and some of them are destined to go to Nicaragua,
yeah.
I never tell you that before.
In the hopes of anticipating.
I never tell you that before.
I'm just reading the
because
report.
remember
So strong.
The southern border of America is open, right? No, them say southern border open, right? So, you know Jamaica is a stopping point. So, everybody would have followed at Jamaica. Then go, where you call it, Central America.
Yeah.
Not
Some of them are going
Central
to Canada
America.
as well.
See?
Yeah.
And then, you know, go there, so because if you look how Jamaica strategically located in the middle, basically US and the rest of the Caribbean island.
South America, North America connected.
Smack in the middle.
So in terms of that, you can take a boat go over there cause my girl name we have a baby with up on TikTok, remember?
Who, Ivani?
Yeah. Them say that's something they should do and go America. So she say, I don't remember the part idiot already. But anyway,
Rasta finish the story.
But
no.
That's like something there, but remember, you know, me read the Star and me listen on TVJ and me hear the full synopsis of what happened. And basically, some of them, most of them, there was not on the flight manifesto. And you have a guy from Middle East where he was a person of interest to the American government. He was on that flight as well.
Yep.
So we call it now, is a security risk that.
Yep.
So, sometime a flight is coming into your country, as Jamaica, you need to check that car. Watch here now.
Why did you get landing permission in the first place? Were they in danger? Were they low on fuel?
No.
This is what
They
we
said that
speculate.
they were coming to
Jamaica,
Jamaica.
the plane, they bound
Destined to fall.
to land.
But
It's not an emergency land or anything. You have to understand this.
So this is what problem I have with it. Because if me decides if we go rent one plane over Heathrow right now, and me decide say yo, you know, say Ghana I go for weekend and mash up and dance down there. And me decide to full my plane at Heathrow, land on runway 3 and this and take off and Ghana. Me I go land at Ghana and me call in and say yo. Rick is coming down. Ray need space.
Rick.
You think so? Dana let me in?
Rick. No. Ghana gonna let you. What year now?
You just said that it was. What the problem that we can do?
Let me just share a bit of knowledge on this. All right. So, your traffic control work and the flight system work, right? So, when the airline clear, we call it a landing space or a slot with an airport, everything's all right? You submit your flight manifesto, who's on the flight and that. Just like how people coming from Jamaica to England, seeing, enough of people come under false pretense. When you come at immigration now, and them question you and them realize your story and where you put on the paper don't match up,
two different
them
things.
Say, listen, detention until the next flight back to Jamaica, you go straight back, right? So it's a thing like that when them come forward at Jamaica and them check them paperwork and what them say them in a Jamaica for, because remember, you come from India, you don't have a 1 day tourist in a Jamaica. You come from India, so or a 2 day. So basically, when you look at certain things, you say your red flag. You say no, something wrong. So it's a flight full of Indian, and you say, nah, man, because let's be real. Make up put it as how it is. The world fuck up and the world racist, right? Yeah. So you see, if it was a plane full of Americans or Kenyans, I would say, nah, man, them good, them have money. Them good, them have money. See, because I an idea we say you are tourism. We look at Indian and certain people. Because no matter how you want to take it, it's a bit of racism in everything. No matter if we say we are Jamaican or not. Because remember you have, what you call it, higher class citizen and you have middle class and you have lower class.
Right,
so in terms of certain race, that's why you have visa system. Certain country don't need visa to go to certain country. Now whether we want pretty it up or not, that's how the world is here. The world fuck up, dog.
All right, let's leave it at this because we agree to disagree.
And time is not on our side this evening.
Exactly.
But I mean, we will stick and stay and pre the updates on the story because things are going to be developing and we will follow it. Shout out to everybody that is on our Instagram live, the Facebook live, the TGM Radio UK app, as well as the TGM Radio's TikTok page. Make sure that you share the link and tell a friend to tell a friend, because we have some special guests in the studio that we're gonna have a chat with now. Dragon All Star, I don't know if you want to set the scene. Make we switch up and fix up some things over here. Just jog a couple songs for now, please.
We're not touching one topic.
Not at the moment. We
you like topic, you see?
Right. So in the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, please do be reminded that we are sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and check out their details for all their weekly events. There's something for everybody, so make sure to share them page, go up on them page, check out that event. Yeah.
Yo, man, I lie.
Right, that's all.
Before we start or something, like, you know, I got a bus driver link up Sunday.
Yeah.
God, no.
Go with a piece of.
It's a vibe.
She means where?
She means go. All right.
No. Let me ask you one question. You ever hear she means and bus driver in one sentence? Sorry,
well,
don't brag to yourself.
You know?
No, but you have a
taxi come over. Look
don't brag to yourself.
Come back.
It's like how me never did a bus driver in the area.
So you keep by your mouth.
Play a segment or go on. Go in our segment or go on. Because one little 5 segment.
All right, watch I know. Let me tell you something.
Yeah, what?
You see the surprise at the dance?
Yeah.
I don't know if I because Brando that guy bring me no matter what.
Rushing.
But Brando forward with that rushing mentality, dog. I say Brando rush everybody in that party. I say one night time,
someone said, don't play with my preamps.
Watch you know. I think I one of them big artists to perform. Because right now, Brando no back I turn to Brando over there. So.
Road of fraud.
One night time, I look good and I say, yo, I want to play for Brando. I Brando alone, Brando say, yo, them give me junior, give me stage for work, so I just work it.
Yeah,
play
so we're gonna juggle some music.
Tell you know, after that, you have the bad door. You have Andrew Fresh and Johnny. Them come deal to get them away. I like, bumbo clat. One night time, I whole a rasta white clothes, I wine off by my white clothes, and I too white, Remember me, I tell you, my dog.
You're not going to play a song with me, you go in a juggle.
Yeah, we're going to
I will pass song I play now.
We're asking for juggle the song them now.
Yeah. And I finish the dance.
All right, go on again.
Then when liquid forward in for the girl them again, I start stood up. And I say, Mama, come here. You see me? Till when I'm looking at them over there, and she get jealous. Me I say, Mama Bill, it's not the place. You see me?
Time.
And when the party get wicked now, me say, Mama jaw close, you know, akimbo. So me just say, yo, here one now. Me just, Mama, me just move, you know. Because me can't take the shandy buckle thing. Because I bus driver link up sweet. And me say, the girl in there go on busy and be things. You know, when me all, yeah, so when all the reggae music start play again, I me see one girl do like so.